Lastly, here are some steps that you can take as a homeowner to help prevent the growth of mold to begin with in your house. And essentially it boils down to three very simple things. Repair things that leak promptly. Clean water or moisture that spills, clean that up promptly, and control the humidity in your house. So let's think about some examples of those things. So if you have a pipe in your basement that weeps or leaks, clean that up, especially if you've got a finished basement where moisture can wick into a finished area where it can reside for longer periods of time in drywall or in a carpet that's in a basement. If those items can hold moisture, they are going to be ideal growth places for mold in the future. Controlling humidity in the house is as simple as, in the summertime, you want to run a dehumidifier in your basement. Maybe you can find one that has an automatic humidistat on it, so it only comes on when it's needed. It can drain into the floor drain, and it's kind of a set and forget type of item. Also, running your air conditioning in the summertime is a really good way to control humidity, because if you think about it, our air conditioning system, it's not called cooling, it's called air conditioning, because the thing it does more than chill is it removes the humidity from the air, which makes us more comfortable. So by removing that humidity, that's going to help reduce the likelihood of mold growth in your house. And then the last thing to do with humidity is, if you have a fan in your bathroom, use it. Have the steam from showers or baths, have that vent out through the fan so that it doesn't get trapped inside your house. And with your fan, you want to make sure that that fan actually terminates on the exterior of your house and doesn't just relocate that steam and humidity from your bathroom and deposit it up into your attic. So, steps you can take to prevent mold growth in your house: clean spills up and repair things right away. Make sure that you don't have any leaking HVAC or condensation or a leaky fridge or dishwasher or anything that can weep over time. And then lastly, control the humidity in your house. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.